How to make ogi. They call it akamu. They use a corn to prepare it, so that at the end of the day you have something like this. It's made from corn. Before it gets to this stage, you get corn, soak it in water for like 3 days. After soaking it, you take it to where they'll grind it. Then you grind it. Then now you sieve it and remove the shaft from it. This is the shaft. Then after the shaft is removed, then you leave it for at least to the next day. Then by then you'll be having something like this. So from there you can now boil your water. After you have made a paste, then you can now boil your water and then start pouring it. I'll take you through all that. That's how you get ogi. So you put your ogi or akamu, or whatever name you call it in your own dialect. You mix it to form a paste, right? Yeah. So after doing that, some people still use the water from the ogi to mix it, while some prefer to add a little water, right? Not too strong, not too watery, just a paste, depending on how good you are. So you pick your briskly boiling water from the fire, and then show the camera, come and show inside the stick. So you start pouring and stirring. At the point it stops, then leave it for just some few minutes or few seconds, depending on how good the corn that you use to do it is. After a while, you stir it. Here comes your ogi or akamu. And Gen Z can never understand this. Our mother took us through all this. In preparing all this food. Thank you.